Hello.
Hi.
I also have my mask.
Kinda.
Kinda. It works, it's mouth protection.
Yeah, but you need to close it. So much better in all aspects. I'm sorry.
Well, who would have not expected that? Oh, looks like our hotel guest forgot to close his fuel cap. Good morning, comrades. Welcome to another day at the Nürburgring together with Dave ex Nürburg. Today is going to be, well, for me a pretty short day because I have to leave to Croatia, but should be pretty fun nevertheless. We have some cool cars here. We have a very impressive GTR with lots of aerodynamic mods. Could cut your pancakes for the morning. Speaking of pancakes, should go get some. Nice Evo 7, I think. Is the 7? I'm gonna say it's a 7. Then we have our usual suspects: M3 Taxi, GT2 RS, Senna, yeah, M2, and of course George's Mark IV Golf TDI. The reason to blame why I have a TDI myself. And then also the M4 chilling, and the GTR Pro of Shmi. Yeah, I find it really sad that I still haven't seen him in the last month plus, and he's been here quite often, I must say. Good for him. I mean, when we first met at the Nürburgring like 5 years ago, he was like, oh, Nürburgring, taking it easy, and now he's like, he's now here more often than I am, so good to see things change. Yes, the PD 130 power. Look at him finessing the reverse, grabbing the rear seat. I mean, grabbing the passenger seat.
Right, go right hand down.
Right hand.
And foot hard on the brake. Straight up. Use one.
Straight?
Yeah.
Okay, now that she is on a set of rain tires, you can go out in this unpredictable day. Now you've probably noticed that we are now running helmets in a taxi, and it has to do mostly with the corona regulation that you need to have face protection, so thereby putting a balaclava underneath. And on the other hand, it's actually not a bad idea because, yeah, Tim has gotten used to the car so much that it's almost constantly under 7. Like, he occasionally, like accidentally, I would say accidentally did a 646 the other day. Fast forward to the TF car park, and we are in the Polestar 1 and just did a lap, and holy this thing is incredible. And the best thing, because the car is not being like advertised or promoted as being a track car, and you take it out on the track and it just like blows your mind. Wow. Video follows soon, or maybe it has been already released. Massive thank you to Alex for bringing this over. Thanks a lot. This is just like, again, like my hands are still shaking. We need sugar, we need pancakes. Let's go. 5 minutes till pancakes. Run. And there was a queue because of Corona, so hopefully it will be okay. Oh no, massive queue. We made it, yes.
That was one hell of a day.
Oh yeah. That's nice. And look how busy it is here. Look at the proper car spotting here. 996, ooh, E34, is that an M5? I think, might be, might not be. I don't know. Ooh, GTR, just a GTR, not a Pro. Oh, another GT3. Thanks a lot. That was proper cool. Do you need help with this? Should I buckle it up? You okay? Okay. Look at the plate. You're going out next?
I'm gonna go out next, Misha.
Dude, the car is so lit. Yeah. You might end up buying it. It is really, really good. It's getting some extra horsepower now. There we go. extra powers. And actually the funny thing is, oh, I don't know, how does the trunk open? Oh, you need to do it with a button. Look at all these conductors. Reminds me of Rimac. Hotspot. Maybe, could be. I don't know why I'm waiting for a startup, because it's electric. Well, it's hybrid, but up to 160 I believe you can go electric. So quiet and so sexy. What would you pick from the three? Oh, what happened? Well, guess it's time to fix it or bring it to Mantai.
No,
You think George can fix it, or are you gonna fix it?
we're gonna fix it.
That's
First,
the right attitude.
first we're gonna see if it will work. If we go down the hill like this.
No, 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 no. You need to put the nut on. Where's the locking nut? Ah, we're missing a rivet. The locking thing.
Gaan we testen alles met.
You need to go ask George for a pin, because otherwise it's gonna get off
Gaan we
and.
testen maar alles op functioneert. We have to. First, we're gonna try something.
What are we gonna try?
First, we're gonna test it out without this. Because if we go with this, this is gonna get lost.
There you go. Not a good idea, so don't do it.
But we can still try.
Oh, that's it. Ooh, wonderful. Ooh, even more. Even more. Beautiful. Oh, I didn't see this one, the AMG. That's a cool one.
Hey, look!
You got two wheels off. Ah, guys, now you cannot drive. Watch out for cars. Oh, look how many there are. So awesome. And one more. More Porsches. More Porsches. Let's have a look at this AMG. Liberty Walk and airlift suspension. Of course it's on air, right? No way it would be. Full scrape. Oh. Someone's running late. Kind of works. I like it. That's not douchey at all. As a Dutchman, I kind of am embarrassed. And I think there we have the Beast of the Green Hell, the official Nürburgring taxi with a new livery. Not sure if I showed you before with Andy. Yeah, it was Andy driving probably. Cool. The car that we did blind lap in a year ago, almost a year ago. Oh, sexy, 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 sexy. Did another very cool lap with the Polestar, jumping in the center in a bit, but we had such a cool lap. Well, the battery was empty halfway through the lap, so it wasn't like you felt it a lot, but it was like I got used to the car so much more, and hopefully I'm gonna have like a very cool picture, because like exit Foxhole over curb, photographer next to the curb will be very interesting. Now that was proper sick. It was definitely one of the craziest laps I've ever experienced. On top with, well, Chiron was definitely more exclusive, but the way he was driving this car, he was just like not caring, and that's what made it so spectacular. Yeah, the tractor is already here, because we are, me and you, if you're joining me on the trip, are going back to Zagreb. Yes, so gone for another 2 weeks. So let's hop in, refuel, get some food, and head off. But I want to say it was an amazing week, or half a week here at Apex, full of cool stuff. We did lots of cool things. Most not importantly, but most exclusively and spectacular was of course the Bugatti job that we had to do. Probably tell more in detail what we did for it, but you will see on the social media soon enough, or you already have seen. So yeah, thank you everyone who made it this amazing, spectacular and unforgettable. And off we go. collection of cars. Is that a real RSI?